There they are. Hello. Virtual hug. और नमस्ते. You know, you both. अभी मैं इन लोगों को सबको यही बता रहा था that oh my God, मतलब कहां से आप लोगों ने जर्नी शुरू की एंड टुडे आज की डेट में आप लोग वो लोग, मतलब आप दोनों एक ऐसी टीम बन चुके हो जो अगर किसी ने डब्बू रत्नानी के साथ, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, आप इस इंडस्ट्री में तब वहां पहुंच गए जब आप कॉफी विद करण पे पहुंच गए, ऐसे ही इफ यू हैव शॉट एंड इफ यू बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ डब्बू रत्नानी कैलेंडर, दैट मींस यू रीच्ड वेयर यू आर सपोज्ड टू रीच. No, it's a fact. It's a fact. But thank you so much. First of all, Manisha, I'll start with you. How's the homeschooling going? मतलब
I'm shuttling between 3 classrooms.
I can imagine.
This one to that one to that one. I mean, and then
There, one classroom is there. Hi, Shivan.
okay.
Hi.
So I popped in.
Okay.
So
Hi, Myra.
Yeah.
Where is Kiara?
Kiara, come say hi.
around.
Hi, Shivan.
Shuttling between 3 classrooms, and
Okay.
it's
I
fun.
can-
But they are involved. It's
I
good for
know.
them.
I know. Hi. How are you, Kiara?
Good.
Very good. Yeah.
But it's
Because
fun.
मैं
But
डब्बू
my
से जब
first half goes shuttling in.
I can imagine, I can so imagine. I remember मेरी डब्बू से बात हो रही थी तो डब्बू मुझे बोल रहे थे, अरे नीरज डोंट इवन आस्क, 3 स्कूल चल रहे हैं घर में.
Initially, because the first few days it's new for us also. So
I
like,
know.
And any glitch, any this, make sure everything is running.
But I do wonder when they are in the actual school, how do they manage without mommy? Once they're at home, it's like mommy, mom.
वो हम सबके साथ होता है. जब तक माँ बाप दिखते हैं तब तक सिर्फ माँ बाप चाहिए. जब नहीं दिखते तो हम अपने आप मैनेज कर लेते हैं.
Daddy दिखते हैं तो where's mom?
Where's Listen, let's not underestimate Dabbu Ratnani, okay? Okay. Dabbu, without a further ado, I would like to straight jump into the conversation. Thank you so much for being a part of this Unfollow series because, as a person and as a career choice, you really are somebody who practices unfollow. So, Dabbu, you started in 1994.
Right.
उस टाइम पे सब माँ बाप का ये होता था कि या तो आप डॉक्टर बनो या आर्किटेक्ट बनो या ये बनो या वो बनो. फोटोग्राफर.
So much so my dad was like, marry a doctor or anything.
आई नो. मैं आऊंगा, मेरे पास वो सवाल है. आई एम कमिंग टू दैट. आई एम राइट नाउ 1994. सो डब्बू, हाउ कम फोटोग्राफी?
So actually passion था मेरा जब से मैं स्कूल में था. I was the family photographer. मैं school picnics में भी they used to always fall back on me to carry the camera. So I was a gadget guy. I used to love it. तो जब ये journey शुरू हुई थी, ऐसे लगा कि it's another gadget for me. I didn't know कि this is what I'm going to do as a profession. But obsession हो गया मुझे. I started enjoying it so much more. And my brother's friend was Sumit Chopra, who I trained with.
Okay.
And so seeing his work, seeing it at such close quarters, मुझे बहुत influence हुआ. And I said that post my 12th standard, I'll give it a shot. And मैं सुमीत से मिला and I told him that my 12th के exam खत्म हो रहे हैं and I want to try and give photography a shot. And I didn't have the middle class family से थे तो there was an option to go abroad and do a photography course. But I must say my parents were amazing and supportive at that time. क्योंकि my elder brother became a chef.
I know Vicky is a chef, a very well-known chef.
Yeah, in those days, one son becoming a chef and other one becoming a photographer was unheard of.
Yeah.
So I think a lot to my mom because my dad was expecting me कि वो business अभी Vicky चला गया है तो अभी dad Dabbu will join the business. So mom started helping dad and she allowed me to assist Sumit.
Wow.
So she started going to the shop and assisting because my dad's health was not too good. So mom went and started helping at the shop and she said, you go 3 years ऐसे भी 3 साल college के बाकी है. वो 3 साल correspondence करेंगे and till then we can decide कि अगर if this is what you want to do. So I think that was an amazing effort from my mom.
Exactly, yeah, because normally what happens is that parents usually are only looking for कि वही doctor, engineer. ये तो अब कम समय बदला है. Used to, yeah. पहले हुआ करता था.
And I think बहुत फर्क पड़ा क्योंकि सुमित घर आता था, he was a friend,
Yeah.
family friend, so they knew that that okay, he's going to Sumit.
A comfort level is there.
Yeah, comfort level, and they saw that Sumit अच्छा कमा रहा
है,
उसका
कर रहा है,
अच्छा
yeah.
नाम है, so they were kind of okay with that.
बिल्कुल, yeah. So that takes me to my next question, which is to Manisha now. Manisha, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है रत्नानी खानदान में जो है ना, घर की बहुएं सच में आके बिजनेस जैसे. नाउ आई डिडंट नो द मदर हेल्प द फादर. हियर यू हैव एक्चुअली बिकम अ को-ओनर ऑफ डब्बू रत्नानी फोटोग्राफी. नाउ व्हेन 2004 हैपेंड, 2004 में when Dabu came to meet you through an arranged setup in Jaipur, I mean, whatever, in Bombay only. Okay, but you are from Jaipur.
My mom is from Bombay, so
Okay.
we visit Bombay
Often.
regularly, yeah.
Okay. तो लेकिन आपको मतलब जहां तक मैंने पढ़ा, आपके फादर ने तो मना कर दिया था, क्या ये फोटोग्राफर से शादी करनी है? So then what made you, because a life like that, and for you to come into all this limelight, because calendar को 5 साल हो गए थे, so Dabu was a celebrity.
Right, which
So-
I didn't know about, by the way.
I would like to know. Everybody would like to know.
I was that simpleton from Jaipur who was not into all this film.
Yeah.
Even like didn't even keep myself upbeat with everything. And when I met him the first time, I genuinely didn't know Dabu Ratnani. Means for me, the first time I met him, I was meeting a person which I'm supposed to meet, who I didn't want to meet because I don't want to get married. He was meeting somebody who he didn't want to get married. And he didn't want to get married. That's typical phase that you don't want to get married.
Yeah.
So I didn't know.
Yeah. So then how did you adapt to this lifestyle? How did you adapt to this? I mean, I know a lot of girls go to in-laws, but here it was a different setup only. So how?
So contrary to whatever I'd heard
Yeah.
about the industry or whatever people tell you, like, oh, industry must be like this.
हाँ जी.
It was absolutely opposite. I would say that everybody welcomed me with open arms. That because everybody was fond of him. Like,
Fond of him.
Dabu.
Yeah.
No, our Dabu.
Not was, everybody still is. They all love him. Everybody loves Dabu and Manisha.
It was not like it was more personal and professional. So everybody met with me like a friend, like a friend's wife.
Yeah.
And in terms of work, I found an excellent boss, so I didn't go here.
मैं यहां पे आप सबको बताना चाहूंगा कि देखो, जब दो एनर्जीज एक फोकस के साथ आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश करती है ना, तो कैसे वो एक दूसरे के अंदर साथ भी ढूंढ लेती हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ काम भी ढूंढ लेते हैं, और जो भी नोकझोंक है, जो भी है, वो तो सब अलग होता है. लेकिन इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू कीप द फोकस गोइंग. और जैसा मनीषा ने बड़े अच्छे से बताया इन टर्म्स ऑफ अडेप्टेबिलिटी, उनको यह पता भी नहीं था कि डब्बू एक सेलिब्रिटी है. व्हेन शी केम, वो बता नहीं रही है, लेकिन मुझे पता है ना, कितना भी अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट हो, आपको अडेप्ट करना पड़ता है. और मैं मनीषा को बहुत, जितना भी मैं जानता हूं, बहुत नहीं बोलूंगा.
Honestly, people would tell me that you found the gem of a person where even I won't name the heroines who would come and tell me, we try to flirt with this guy. You found that one guy who is really and nice and really good guy.
So पहले क्या हुआ था? We had already heard के that husband wife combination working together is not
doesn't work.
Doesn't work. ऐसे सुना था हमने. And पहले 2-3 महीने जब शादी के बाद उन्होंने मनीषा कंटिन्यूड वर्किंग विद टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, जो वो जॉब कर रही थी, मार्केटिंग कर रही थी, और फिर एक दिन she didn't go to work and she came to my studio and the way she managed everything, I said, you're not going back. I didn't let her go back to work after that.
But Manisha, then did you find it very interesting to come and do this, or was it more like, okay, you know what, this is a comfortable space?
Mix of things. As I said, the main picture for me was the amazing boss I got. Really. I mean, not saying it because my husband is.
I have seen.
Out, guys. Chilled out. Nothing really. He doesn't get upset. He doesn't get worked up over something. So he's like really easy, chilled out. And then everybody who would come every day would be a different person. Like, in photo shoots, you meet new people every day. The vibe that he and everybody had was so easy, was so friendly, was so like, you're like, not like a very across the desk.
Yeah, and it was not an envious thing that अच्छा अभी बीवी भी आ गई है.
So he would play like really nice music and
Yeah. Wow.
our coffee,
Wow.
you know, we are coffee
Yeah.
addicts.
And chocolate.
And the shoots would like flow like it's mesmerizing. It's like amazing. Like,
Yeah,
so every day was special, like till date.
Wow.
Till date. Like, you know,
Wow. No, that is there. So guys, कितने अच्छे से जो है, अब मनीषा ने ये भी बताया that you know अगर एक एनवायरनमेंट काम करने का अच्छा होता है तो कोई भी आकर उसका पार्ट बनने की इच्छा भी रखता है. So आप जहां भी काम करो, it is very 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 important that be nice, be kind to everybody who's working around. वहां पे जाकर and then you will slowly see that everybody wants to come and work with you. ये जो हम अपने आप को ऊपर दिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं ना, वो कभी भी काम नहीं करता है, किसी के साथ भी काम नहीं करता है. Dabu, would you like to say something? Because I know you have a huge setup. इस बारे में आप टीम वर्क के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
I think team is the most important. जब भी अभी I mean आज भी ले लो, कभी भी शूट करते हैं, we always always bond as a team. अगर कोई suggestion makeup वाले से आ गया, hairdresser, stylist, whoever at the shoot has equal right to say and suggest for the shot.
Wow.
You know, I don't feel that कि अगर मेरा कॉन्सेप्ट है इट्स माय वे और द हाईवे, मैं ऐसे डील नहीं करता हूँ. आई फील दैट फाइनल प्रोडक्ट अच्छा लगना चाहिए. किसका सजेशन है, एक्टर का सजेशन है या मेकअप मैन का सजेशन है, फोटो भी मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा. फाइनली पीपल विल टॉक द पिक्चर अच्छा, फोटोज कम गुड. So who has contributed to that? The whole team. So I feel that it's very important. So अभी भी जब मैं shot, I'm talking of last month or whenever we shot last, I'll click the first frame and I'll show it to Manisha. What do you think?
I've seen that.
I'll call the makeup person and say, when we've shot together.
I remember.
It was like open. It was not like,
it was not just. I know.
Always like together.
A team effort. A team effort completely. So see guys.
That works very well.
25 साल का एक्सपीरियंस, इतने नामी गिरामी फोटोग्राफर, आज भी वो कहीं से अपने आप को ऐसा नहीं बोलते दैट आई नो इट ऑल, जो मैं कह रहा हूं वही सही है. नहीं, उनका ये इट डजंट. थैंक यू बिकॉज ये
and also one thing I'll add to that is, you know, when I go for a shoot even now in my head I'm always thinking कि कुछ आज नया कुछ करना है, आज कुछ अलग करना है जो I've not done for these so many shoots. Same actor I'm shooting since 25 years. आज नया करें. So that process of that fire is not gone. To create something new every time you're shooting. Otherwise you will burn out.
Exactly. See, reinvention. आप लोग जो सब लोग बोल रहे हो ना कि अभी जब हम लोग कभी और सेशंस में बात करते हैं कोरोना के बाद क्या होगा, कैसे करेंगे, इसी को रीइन्वेंशन इज द की. अपने आप को और नया किस तरह से प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, जब तक आप अपने अंदर भी चेंज नहीं लाते रहोगे ना, अपने आप को अपग्रेड रेगुलरली नहीं करते रहोगे. जैसा डब्बू ने बोला, सेलिब्रिटी सेम है, सेम शक्ल है, किस तरह से नया कॉन्सेप्ट आए ताकि प्रेजेंटेशन चेंज हो जाए, किस तरह से एक नयापन आए. बिकॉज हम सबको वो नयापन पसंद है, हम सबको यूनिक प्रेजेंटेशन पसंद है. सो दैट्स वेरी ब्यूटिफुल डब्बू. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू दीज यूनिक प्रेजेंटेशंस. I'm saying getting high. That's so beautiful. I love kids. Now, Dabu, keeping this, uniqueness and this reinvention in mind, 20 years, 24 celebrities, Dabu Ratnani calendar. Oh, hello.
Flash.
Hi. Flash.
So he insisted that this one hasn't said a hi.
Yeah, please do. Hello. There it is. So 24 celebs, 20 years, every year to present a calendar. Present almost similar faces in a different manner. I mean, I have 2 questions here. पहला, तो कैसे आप मैनेज करते हो? मतलब ये डब्बू और मनीषा दोनों को आंसर करना है. कैसे आप मैनेज करते हो? और दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये है, इज डब्बू रत्नानी कैलेंडर a step towards marketing Dabu Ratnani brand as well?
Dabu Ratnani calendar, I would say, is an expression of art. For example, people who exhibit, photographers exhibit their work. So this is one work where a client is not saying wear this color. There's not a particular theme. There's not a particular restriction of any kind.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
This is the only place
It's fluid,
where creativity can flow.
Yeah.
The way he wants it and his team wants it. It's
Yeah.
not like how we shoot.
A brief that is coming from a brief that is coming from a client. You are the client, you are the owner. Yeah.
Correct. So I think that every photographer or any artist for that matter must do some work for themselves जो commercial नहीं हो. जो आप सिर्फ पूरे साल हम शूट करते हैं, एड्स करते हैं, मैगजीन के लिए शूट करते हैं, वो सब ऑब्वियसली पेड शूट्स होते हैं. पर एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट आई थिंक होना चाहिए जो आपको इंस्पायर करे, जो आपको अपने आप से ही कम्पीट करने की यू फील दैट एनर्जी दैट 20 साल से कैलेंडर कर रहा हूँ, ये 21 साल में क्या नया करूँ. So it's very important to keep driving yourself and pushing yourself. I think the calendar वही काम करता है. First of all, for me, it's a creative freedom. It's creative expression. It's job satisfaction. And plus, of course, अब ये property बन गया है, so it helps me to market my name again and again. And I'm, it's there on every desk. जब मैं कोई ऑफिस में जाता हूँ और उनके यहाँ पड़ा हुआ है कैलेंडर, उनके top notch bosses के अगर कैलेंडर पड़ा रहता है, it feels good.
Especially when nobody keeps calendar these days.
मेरे घर में भी पड़ा है. मेरे घर में भी पड़ा है.
तो आजकल कैलेंडर्स कोई डेट के लिए यूज नहीं करता, सब मोबाइल यूज करते हैं, but at least it has a place in people's homes and offices.
In their hearts as well. In their hearts as well.
Even now it feels great. It feels like a, when somebody says good shoot, good work, to now also I feel it pumps me up.
No, I feel so proud when the calendar is delivered to me. Yay, it's done. Manisha, now because you are on the more organizing bit, like I asked as well, this planning of this mammoth thing for the past 16 years. Please, थोड़ी सी उस पे जरा लाइट डालिए.
People know December comes, the Guratnani's calendar shoot time. But that makes it easier for me. It's like they are expecting it. They know that the
call will come.
Problem that if at all I face is that which one?
Dates.
Yeah. Which one? That's the only place where we go a little, oh my god. Oh, no. But beyond that, I would say actors know. This is a part of their system. They know that they have to shoot. So even when they're shooting with me in November, they're not going to shoot the calendar.
Oh.
Yeah. So let me work out, let me change my hair color, let me get more fit and do a special shot because they know that it's iconic. They know that it's everybody keeps it on their desk. Yeah. Whichever producer, director, wherever they go, they know that this is last one here on people's desk. So everybody makes that extra effort. But the toughest part is saying no.
I'm coming to that. That's my next question. So guys, before I move to the next one, डब्बू और मनीषा ने बहुत ही सिंपली बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बातें बता दी जो जिंदगी में हमें सीखनी चाहिए. पहली, रिलेशनशिप मैनेजमेंट. ये जो हर साल इतने बड़े बड़े जिनको हम सितारे मानते हैं, वो हर साल अगर दिसंबर में इंतजार करते हैं ना कि अभी वो फोन कॉल आएगा शूट के लिए, ऐसे ही नहीं होता है. अगर आप एक अच्छे इंसान नहीं हो, अगर आप रिश्ते बनाकर रखना नहीं जानते हो, आप ऐसा काम नहीं कर सकते हो. दूसरी चीज, इनोवेशन. डब्बू ने बहुत सरलता से बताया कि मुझे खुद को मोटिवेट रखने के लिए, बिकॉज काम सेम ही है, फोटोग्राफी वही उनको करना है, लेकिन किस तरह से उसके अंदर नयापन लाए ताकि वो खुद भी मोटिवेटेड रहे. सो रीइन्वेंशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टे सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड. डब्बू, यू आर सेइंग समथिंग. सॉरी.
या आई फील दैट so अभी इनफैक्ट जब से मैंने शुरू किया, when I started the calendar from year 2000, तभी क्या होता था कि actors used to come, I used to call them. तभी तो हम लोग मोबाइल फोन भी नहीं थे.
लैंडलाइन.
So I think we used to call them on the landline and message छोड़ते थे घर पे. They used to call back and they used to just land up. Now I think it's become very different. I mean now there are 24 teams that you're coordinating with. So it's become very much more professional. It's become I mean also I feel that for them also they also come up with suggestions क्योंकि उनको भी नया कुछ करना है. In 2001 I shot Akshay Kumar. I shoot him in 2020. He's been there through the years, so he said, क्या करेंगे?
Exactly.
So he'll think of if any freaky concept comes to him in the year now. He'll call me first. He says, December में याद दिलाना मुझे. This is the concept, So it feels good that
but it is
with that.
You guys are stuck. The connection went, and you're back now. Yeah. No, so it is. That's what it is. It is so beautiful that to go ahead and see a calendar, but every year it is a different. It's a different thing. It's a new thing. And when, like you're saying that another thing that everybody who's listening to this needs to understand. जैसा डब्बू ने बोला पहले बहुत सिंपल होता था कि फोन पे बात हुआ डायरेक्टली स्टार से बात हुआ अभी टीम्स वगैरह हैं गाइज प्लीज रिमेंबर आप जिनके साथ काम कर रहे हो it is very important that you're even aligned to their setup. उनका सेटअप कैसा है अगर आप खाली बोलो ना जैसे बहुत लोगों के दिमाग में होता है मैं बॉस हूं मैं सिर्फ बॉस से बात करूंगा नीचे वालों से मैं क्यों बात करूं ईगो कभी नहीं लाने देना कभी भी नहीं आने देना बिकॉज दैट डज नॉट लीड यू एनीवेयर ओके नाउ दैट ब्रिंग्स मी टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जिसके लिए मनीषा बोल रही थी नहीं वो नहीं पूछना बिकॉज कैलेंडर में आते तो सिर्फ 24 लोग हैं कम से कम 50 नाउ हाउ डू यू मैनेज दैट एंड वी ऑल नो एक्टर्स आई एम सॉरी टू बट देयर आर फ्रैजाइल ईगोज वो मेंटेन करके रखना वो रिलेशनशिप हाउ डू यू हैंडल दैट
Well, I just explained that 12 months in a year. There's nothing I can do about it.
So some in लोगों को हम we can't
say no. Yeah.
We say that साल में सिर्फ 12 महीने हैं सिर्फ 24 फोटोज कर सकते हैं पर अगले साल we'll try. So I try and add every year 2-3 नए names.
Yes, I know. Yeah.
Change the list every year.
Yeah.
And also कभी awkward हो जाता है क्योंकि जो पुराने साल who's been there in the previous calendar and he's not in this year. So then when you meet the person in person, personally मिलते हैं तो थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है awkward हो जाता है.
For me.
पर क्या करें
एग्जैक्टली बट स्टिल बिकॉज आई नो मैंने आपके थोड़े लॉन्चेस भी अटेंड किए एंड आई नो द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन दैट यू आर आई ऑल्सो नो दैट आपके मना करने के तरीके में भी ना एक हाँ होती है
For whatever reason, you couldn't shoot. I mean, with a certain person for a calendar, they would still come for the launch. That positive vibe is still there. They don't of course they'll say why didn't you take me, but at the same time they'll still come for the launch. They'll still support Dabbo. They'll still
shoot with them through the year.
कुछ
ना कुछ करते रहते हैं. अभी क्या है कि it's become something which is not in my control. I mean I have to because I'll tell you Neeraj, the first जो 20 लोग हैं is the constants who I've been shooting with since the beginning. Whether it's Ritik, it's
Akshay, Mr. Bachchan,
Abhishek,
Aishwarya.
So these are the first 20 people I call who I've been working with so much
from day one.
So so it's nothing to do with if someone's doing well or not doing well.
ऐसा
नहीं कि आप एक साल में आपका कोई रिलीज नहीं था
तो
I'm not going to take him in the calendar. ऐसा अप्रोच नहीं रहता है. पहले relationships and the rapport that I share with them, and they've been there with me since so many years. So first I will contact my first top people who I work a lot with, and then जो extra कोई dates का problem हो जाए, कोई availability नहीं, I can adapt.
And then you can
get 2-3 new people.
Also, there's a concept that he likes. Then he's like, okay, this person can do justice to this concept. So that also.
Yeah, exactly. Because creativity also. So guys, ध्यान रखिए, आप एक इंसान हो जिनके साथ आप काम करना चाहते हो वो भी इंसान है. Everybody loves to be acknowledged. Everybody loves to be respected. और जिस तरह से डब्बू ने बोला जिनके साथ ये कैलेंडर रिश्ते शुरू हुए थे उनकी तो फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी है ही है और वो हमेशा उतनी इज्जत उनको देते हैं. सो रिमेंबर दिस, इंसान हो, खुद को उससे हटकर खुद कुछ समझने की कोशिश मत करो.
I'll add to that,
please.
क्योंकि my approach today when I'm shooting a newcomer also, portfolio भी हो नए newcomer का, I don't treat them with less respect. I mean,
I'll give that.
And I've seen that as
well. I mean, I shoot behind the scenes of every shoot. I see no difference.
So everybody, it's a model, it's an actor, it's a portfolio. For me, it's my name that is going with every picture. So I feel that, and you should not display. Today, I saw Ritik's first portfolio, I saw John's first portfolio. तब मुझे मालूम नहीं था कि ये top stars
बन जाएंगे.
And I still treated them well, and today still we work together, and they remember that. They talk about that in their interviews also. के डब्बू ने हमारा पहला portfolio किया था. Now, the minute if I had tried to give them attitude in the beginning, how they would not even.
Yeah. See how beautifully, again, these are the things what make Dabbu Ratnani and Manisha Ratnani to where they are. You treat everybody equally. आप स्टार्टर हो कि आप बहुत बड़े स्टार हो, दैट शुड नेवर मैटर. इसलिए आप भी जिंदगी में जब आप कहीं जाते हो ना किसी को मिलने के लिए, वो चाहे लिफ्ट वाला हो, चाहे रिसेप्शनिस्ट हो, चाहे जिनसे आप मिलने गए हो, नेवर एवर ट्रीट एनीबडी एनी लेसर.
आई एग्री.
एक पता है, एक बहुत ही शायद हंसने वाली बात भी है, लेकिन मैं इस बात को मानता हूं. एक बात चलती है कि अच्छा कैसे आपको पता चलता है जब एक लड़की एक लड़के के साथ डेट पे जाती है तो वो लड़का है बिल्कुल धरती से जुड़ा हुआ है, जमीन से जुड़ा हुआ है. गर्ल्स से द वे द गाय ट्रीट्स द वेटर इज व्हाट टेल्स देम हाउ नाइस द ह्यूमन बीइंग ही इज.
इट्स ट्रू.
सो प्लीज रिमेंबर, ये छोटी छोटी सी बातें होती हैं. नाउ द अदर थिंग आई वांट टू चेक विथ यू इज Manisha and Dabbu both, doing the same thing, like you said, you try and reinvent. But I know that at times it can get boring.
No.
Because
No.
Never?
No.
How do you manage that? Please tell me, because I get bored with same things.
But no 2 days are similar, no 2 shoots are similar. The environment, everything is so different. Like
It's up to you.
You're creating with each shoot. It's
Yeah.
not boring.
So मेरे लिए I
it's not
think
like I'm chopping wood every shoot.
yeah. So I So when the person comes in, I'll get them comfortable, get them ambience set. So photographer की responsibility is everything.
Yeah.
Not just doing the lighting and shooting. So we'll ask them जिसको what coffee you like, क्या music पसंद है. So we make the whole ambience as it's like a
comfortable.
fun shoot. It's like not really a job for us.
Yeah.
So for us, I mean, we make them comfortable, make them feel good, and like I said, and I go with a kind of a thing in my head. आज कुछ नया करना है. So I feel that needs to be there to kind of not bore yourself out. Kind of, today even if you're doing a portfolio 3 days in a row, all your 3 folios should look different.
Right.
Wow.
जो भी आप मॉडल के साथ शूट कर रहे हो, उनकी स्टाइलिंग, उनके मेकअप, उनके हेयर, कुछ अलग अलग ट्राई करिए, कुछ लाइटिंग अलग करिए. ऐसा होता है कि एक 3 साल के बाद मुझे याद आएगा, अरे मेरे पास वो लाइट है या वो रिफ्लेक्टर है, आज वो निकालो, आज ये बैकग्राउंड निकालो. So I feel that it's up to you to. I've never reached a place के आज मुझे ब्लॉक है, आज मैं शूट नहीं कर सकता हूँ, I cannot create today. I've never reached that spot ever.
Wow. See, this I have learned today that okay, I do keep pushing myself. As जैसे अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं, self motivate करना. हर रोज सुबह उठ के खुद को पुश करना कि आज मुझे कुछ नया करना है. I mean, I have my low days. I'll be very honest.
But Baba, in the earlier days when I started my career, I mean, I used to forget to bill clients. In the nasha of shooting, every day shooting, every day doing something. I have not charged hundreds of people.
Wow.
I mean, to say I used to, my Josh comes from shooting.
Shooting, see?
I like to create.
Even now I have to, like when I join, the list of shoots were not built. The list of like he had not followed up, like nothing.
Like
even now, I remind him.
In those days.
Like yeah.
Now Manisha has brought a method to the madness.
It's true. It's absolutely.
No, that is there. See, I have seen you guys. जैसा मैंने पहले बोला था, मैं इंट्रोडक्शन में बोल रहा था. I have never seen and मतलब नजर ना लगे. मैंने आज तक किसी को इतना सिंक में हस्बैंड वाइफ को साथ में काम करते हुए तो मैंने कभी भी नहीं देखा है. Dabbu, how do you think that is possible? And then Manisha, you have to say how is that possible? Dabbu.
In terms of sync, I mean, first thing I must say that because we share the same birthday,
yes, 24 December.
We've been so I think that makes a big difference in terms of our likes and dislikes. I think so that keeps us. I don't know, मतलब star sign में इतना हम ज़्यादा सोचते नहीं है, but I think the same date definitely there's a connection. And there was a connection to even get to connected on that point.
Yeah, because we didn't want to get married, as I told you. Arranged marriage where I was said that I have to convince my dad to say a no, and he has to convince his mom to say a no. But it is connected. I mean, so we've actually had a love marriage, not arranged marriage. I mean, we said no to our families and then went ahead and connected.
Then I connected with her because there was a bond. When I saw her only, I felt that kuch hai. You know, I felt there's something there. So, and I think in terms of work, I think it is, you know, we complement each other. You know, and today I have a thought, I have a creative idea, I have someone to talk to about it. She's like, I discussed it with her, and I said, what do you think of this? Should we do this actor? Should we shoot this shoot? Do we do this? So it's great. And in terms of even when, you know, it's always a
So he was kind of compliment. He's focusing on his creativity, his photography, and I'm taking care of behind the scenes.
Logistics, everything.
That I've seen. I mean, you both are each other's shadows.
It's not like two lawyers in there.
Okay, now the next thing. Recently, in the recent years, at least now for the past 5 years, being healthy has really been a big part of both of your lives.
Yeah, in lockdown it's gone for a toss, huh?
वो तो प्लीज मुझसे पूछो, मैं अभी खड़ा होऊंगा ना, मनीषा मैं खड़ा होऊंगा ना, ये जितना नीचे दिख नहीं दिख
अच्छा, सबकी सेम स्टोरी.
Same story. So tell me something now, health. Because Dabu, we all know that you were not as healthy and now you are very healthy. And Manisha, you both go together to the gym and all that. So please do say something about health, because everybody who's listening, they all need to understand the importance of health.
When I got pregnant, before pregnancy everything was fine. When I got pregnant, I think we both got pregnant at the same time. I would eat, you would eat, kind of stuff. So we would both like have cravings. But once after all the 3 kids, I had that passion to get back to
your shape.
And I was quite driven. And I started controlling, not having junk. I mean, I started working out every day, and we're always together. We work together. Even with the kids, so even workout, we became a workout
buddies.
You know, like buddies.
Yeah.
So we would work out together, and he also he started loving it with me, and we both lost weight together. I mean,
yeah.
But we love it now. It's an addiction.
It's
your happy hormone. It's your happy feeling to be
your dopamine.
Work out. Yeah.
Absolutely. I think, and also, बहुत पहले की बात है, when I was till I think 2001, I was, I reached a point when I became like 118 kilos. That was my highest ever. And then I said that this is the last day I want to see my weight on the scale.
Wow.
And I never went back to that weight. Like something that I always followed, and I kept. But post-pregnancy, when Manisha, when we delivered, all 3 kids were delivered, we were both put on weight, and after that, there's been no coming back. It's been just hitting it, and now it's become an addiction. Really, to wake up in the morning and go to the gym is something we both love to do, and I think मेरे काम में भी उससे बहुत फायदा हुआ है.
You're more energetic.
I'm more energetic.
और जो जिस तरह के, I mean, today you can't be like really unhealthy and expect your kids to follow a healthy path. It's like they absorb, they see everything.
Exactly.
So I can't be like having a bag of chips and telling them eat healthy.
Yeah. So 3 things that have led to your life change because of this healthy regime. Quickly, 3 things.
As he said, we're like more active at shoots.
More active.
And of course, more happy.
Happier.
When you come back from gym, it's
another
factor.
सुबह उठते हैं तो अरे यार जाना है. Initially when you start the journey ऐसा होता है. But now I wake up कि 3 घंटे की भी, if I slept late and I've done a shoot late night, we wake up in the morning and we wake each other up. चलो जा रहे हैं.
Don't worry about clothes after that. Anything that you wear, fits. I mean, it's fine. You don't have to overthink what will fit, what will not fit.
Taking that point forward,
it could be a plain white t-shirt, it could be a plain white t-shirt.
And you look,
So that was one of the things why I started my journey way before marriage, because मुझे ready-made कपड़े fit नहीं आते थे. So I used to always tailor my clothes, So I said I want to buy ready-made clothes. Wow. That's where the journey actually started.
Wow. So see guys, self motivation सिर्फ career में नहीं है, self motivation personal life में भी है. Fitness brought in happiness, brought in that you can wear anything and it will look nice on you. So that's fantastic, and I have really seen a little bit of your journey. So it has been beautiful. It has been a beautiful health journey. Yes, you were saying something, Dabu. Sorry.
Yeah, if you're healthier, you'll be longer there for your kids. That's another thing.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट भैया, मतलब जैसे हिंदी बोलते हैं खाली पैदा थोड़ा ना करना है, उनका ध्यान भी रखना है ना. Okay, now I have, so let's not make this session a very preachy session. I have an interesting game, the couples game that is going on, wherein you have to shut your eyes and you have to pinpoint at each other whatever I ask. Okay, so please, no cheating, no cheating. Okay, eyes shut. Great. जिम में चीट ज्यादा कौन करता है? ओके, आई गॉट द आंसर. डाइट में चीटिंग ज्यादा कौन करता है? Dabu, don't open your eyes.
When you do it, both do it.
It's true.
Okay, who's more messier? Okay. गुस्सा किसको जल्दी आता है?
जल्दी तो नहीं, but yeah, I mean,
Okay.
It worked up. He doesn't get worked up at all.
At all. Okay, who's a little bit more of drama? Dramatic. दोनों में से कोई नहीं है. I thought so. Okay, who snores louder? खर्राटे कौन ज्यादा जामे? कोई नहीं है. Okay, ज्यादा खर्चा कौन करता है? Who spends more? दोनों. ओके, कौन ऐसा है जो कि थोड़े बहुत व्हाइट लाइज बोलता है? सारे बोलते हैं, ये नहीं बोलना, नहीं बोलते. कोई नहीं, अच्छा ठीक है, जा रहे दो. हु ड्राइव्स बेटर?
Reverse is better. I want a guarantee of reversing the car.
So she parks the car sometimes and says, now you reverse.
No, you reverse. Okay, who handles the kids better?
Together, I think
Together.
we do everything together. Yeah.
Okay. Now, after a few drinks, who gets tipsy fast?
But we both handle the kids together. But dude, I don't know. It's still mom.
I wanted to say that, but I said, okay, let me not highlight it now. Who gets tipsy fast after a few drinks?
He doesn't drink.
I don't drink.
Oh, you don't. Oh, so the question is only invalid. Superb.
I drink, she drives.
Superb. Thank you so. Manisha, you can open your eyes now. Thank you so much. This was so much fun. And हमने इतना कुछ सीखा भी. So please go ahead and say 2 lines each. जो आपको सुन रहे हैं, आप उनको क्या बताना चाहोगे? The way you have followed your instincts. How should they follow what they believe in and how they should live their life? Just a suggestion, obviously.
If there's anybody who's married here and following us or has a family, it's not for nothing when they say the family comes first. It really does. I'm close to my friends, of course, but friends should be like friends, like family. You should be like really, really passionate and very involved with whichever partnership you have, whether it's your husband, wife, it's your kids, it's your friends. You should give it all.
Bond important.
Very important. Very important. Very well said. Double.
And I would say in terms of for all the professional photographers जो देख रहे हैं, जो ये live देख रहे हैं, I think जो भी आप profession करते हो, जो actually in fact जो भी आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं, I think you should do it for the actual love and the passion for the profession.
You'll never get bored.
Exactly.
You'll never get bored. I feel that जो अगर आप like Gaba, I meet many people जो will want to get into photography just for meeting famous people, just to meet chicks, just to kind of get meet the famous guys or get famous. मेरा नाम आना चाहिए बस. It's the wrong reasons to do photography.
Thank you for saying that.
It's important to do what you excel at, what inspires you, what you feel the fire for. I think you should follow your dream and do that rather than trying to be somebody else.
Wow. What a wonderful thing. Thank you so much, Dabu. Thank you so much, Manisha. आपने thank you for coming in and being a part of Unfollow family. आपने जाते जाते भी इतना बड़ा एक रीजन बताया है ना, that जो लोग कुछ ऐसे करियर्स में आते हैं ना जो कि कैमरा के सामने या कैमरा के पीछे फेमस होने के लिए, वो रीजन ही गलत है। आप उस जगह जाओ जहां पर आपका इंटरेस्ट है। इंटरेस्ट होगा अपने काम को, जो बोलते हैं ना, कर्म किए जा फल की चिंता मत कर। You need to live your life like that. A lot of people who have come on unfollow, they have said the same thing, and I'm so glad Dabu and Manisha that lovely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Please take good care of yourselves. Stay home. Bye to the kids as well. Thank you, and I'm going to see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. So guys, ये थे डबू रत्नानी और मनीषा रत्नानी। कितनी सिंप्लिसिटी से, कितनी ऑनेस्टली उन्होंने हमारे को अपनी जिंदगी, अपने करियर, पर्सनल लाइफ, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, कैसे वो एज अ टीम काम करते हैं, किस मोटिवेशन से करते हैं, कैसे अपने आप को हर रोज रीइन्वेंट करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि कोई भी काम ना कभी बोर हो और हमेशा कुछ नयापन ऑफर कर सके। लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट एवोल्यूशन। अगर आप अपने काम में, अपनी जिंदगी में इवॉल्व नहीं करते हो तो कहीं ना कहीं आप अपने साथ ही दगाबाजी कर रहे हो। सो प्लीज प्लीज डू समथिंग जो कि हम पहले ही बात कर चुके हैं, जो कि आपका स्वधर्मा है। स्वधर्मा मतलब जो आपके अंदर से आपकी इंस्टिंक्ट बोलती है आपको वो करना चाहिए। सो प्लीज फॉलो दैट। डू नॉट फॉलो व्हाट इज देयर ऑन द आउटसाइड, व्हाट पीपल आर टेलिंग यू। और जो लोग कुछ कर रहे हैं अपनी जिंदगी में, वो अपने हिसाब से कर रहे हैं। आपकी जिंदगी आपने जीनी है, उन्होंने नहीं जीनी है। सो डू व्हाट यू फील वर्क्स फॉर यू एंड डू इट विद पैशन, डू इट विद सिंगल माइंडेड फोकस, डू इट विद परसिस्टेंस। क्योंकि जब आप करते रहोगे बिना किसी चाह के कि मैं इससे फेमस होऊंगा, प्लीज कभी कुछ ऐसा सोच के भी शुरू नहीं करना कि मैं ये करने से फेमस होऊंगा इसलिए करूं। सोच गलत है। ध्यान सिर्फ आपका होना चाहिए कि आप क्या कर रहे हो। डिलीवर द बेस्ट पॉसिबल यू कैन एंड द रिजल्ट्स विल फॉलो। Thank you so much for joining in for this Unfollow series. We will soon come up with the other guest names who will be joining us. For now, please stay home. Please stay happy. Please take good care of yourselves and your loved ones. And please stay happy. It is very, very, very important. घर में बैठे बैठे थोड़ा सा नेगेटिविटी आ सकता है, बट प्लीज, जैसा कि हम लोग हमेशा बात करते हैं, अपने अंदर से उस पॉजिटिविटी को लेके आना है। वो फिर चाहे गाना गाने से हो, चाहे कोई हॉबी प्रैक्टिस करने से हो, किसी भी तरह से अपना दिमाग नेगेटिविटी से हटा सको तो प्लीज हटाओ। दिमाग पर आपका काबू होना चाहिए, आपके ऊपर दिमाग का नहीं। जिंदगी की बहुत बड़ी सीख है ये। प्लीज, यू शुड बी कंट्रोलिंग योर माइंड, not the other way around. Mind should not be controlling you. So live your life the way you want to live it. Stay happy, stay home, stay healthy, and please take good care of yourselves. Mr. Gaba signing off for now. Take care. Have a great weekend.